The job market is changing faster than ever. If you're not learning new skills, you're falling behind. We'll show you why upskilling is crucial in 2025 and how to stay ahead of the curve. Gone are the days when a single degree or skill set could sustain your career for decades. In today's fast-paced job market, industries are evolving at lightning speed. Technology, automation, and AI are transforming roles, while entirely new job categories are emerging. Upskilling, learning new skills or upgrading existing ones, isn't just an option anymore. It's essential for job security, career growth, and staying relevant in an increasingly competitive world. In this video, we'll explore the importance of continuous learning, highlight in-demand skills for 2025, and share practical tips to integrate upskilling into your busy life. The fourth industrial revolution has arrived, and it's reshaping the workplace. According to the World Economic Forum, 50% of all employees will need reskilling by 2025. Automation is replacing repetitive tasks, while digital skills are in higher demand than ever. Here's a shocking fact. Workers with outdated skills are twice as likely to be laid off during economic downturns. Meanwhile, employees who invest in upskilling often earn higher salaries and enjoy more job stability. Companies are also shifting their expectations. Rather than hiring new talent, many organizations now prioritize employees who show a commitment to learning and adaptability. It's no longer enough to be good at your job. You need to evolve with your industry. Here's what we'll cover. The top skills in demand for 2025. Digital, technical, and soft skills that employers value. Online learning platforms. The best resources for gaining new expertise. Making time for upskilling. How to balance learning with a busy schedule. The ROI of upskilling. Why it's worth the investment. The top skills in demand for 2025. Digital skills are at the forefront, including coding, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Technical skills, like cloud computing, AI, and blockchain development are skyrocketing in demand. But don't underestimate the power of soft skills like communication, leadership, and problem-solving. According to LinkedIn, skills like emotional intelligence and adaptability are just as critical as technical expertise. Online learning platforms. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn. Learning make it easy to upskill from anywhere. For example, Coursera offers certifications from top universities in areas like project management and digital marketing. Specialized platforms like DataCamp focus on skills like Python, SQL, and machine learning. Most of these platforms allow you to learn at your own pace, making them accessible even for those with demanding schedules. Making time for upskilling. Busy professionals often struggle to find time for learning, but microlearning can be a game changer. Break your learning into small, manageable sessions, just 15 to 30 minutes a day. Use tools like mobile apps, podcasts, or even audiobooks during your commute or workout. Block specific times in your calendar for learning and treat it like an unmissable meeting. The ROI of upskilling. Upskilling doesn't just future-proof your career, it also boosts your earning potential. Workers with certifications in high-demand areas like cloud computing can earn 20 to 40% more than their peers. Plus, upskilling demonstrates initiative and adaptability, qualities employers prioritize during promotions. Traditional career paths often relied on slow, formal education systems. But in 2025, learning needs to be agile, ongoing, and tailored to industry demands. While a degree provides a foundation, upskilling focuses on keeping that foundation relevant. For example, a marketing professional with an MBA might upskill by learning data analytics or SEO tools to stay competitive. Upskilling isn't just for tech fields, it's for anyone who wants to stay ahead in their career. Take the example of an accountant who embraced upskilling by learning automation tools like QuickBooks and Excel macros. This made them more efficient, allowing them to focus on strategic tasks and climb the corporate ladder. Or consider a graphic designer who learned UX design through online courses, opening the door to high-paying opportunities in tech. These stories show that upskilling isn't just about survival, it's about thriving in an evolving workplace. In 2025, upskilling isn't just an option, it's the key to career success. By investing in your own growth, you'll stay relevant, adaptable, and prepared for whatever the job market throws your way. Whether it's mastering new technologies or sharpening your leadership skills, continuous learning keeps you in control of your career. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. What skills are you planning to learn in 2025? Share your goals in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more career tips and strategies. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.